Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed nuts powder. First, select your favorite raw nuts like almonds, cashews, or walnuts. You'll need about 2 cups total. Next, lightly toast them in a dry pan over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, or in an oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. This step enhances their natural aroma and taste. Finally, let the nuts cool completely on a tray for at least 15 minutes before moving on. Once your nuts are cool, it's time to grind them into a fine powder. Transfer the cooled nuts to a high-speed blender or a food processor. It's crucial to pulse them in short 5-second intervals rather than blending continuously. This technique prevents the nuts from releasing their natural oils too quickly, which could turn your powder into a paste. Aim for a light, fluffy texture, similar to flour, after about 1 to 2 minutes of pulsing. You can easily customize your mixed nut powder with additional ingredients. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding 1/4 cup of flax seeds or chia seeds before grinding. A 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom can also introduce a delightful flavor. Once your powder is ready, transfer it to an airtight container. Store it in a cool, dry place like your pantry, where it will remain fresh for up to 2 weeks, or refrigerate for longer. Mixed nut powder is incredibly versatile and offers many health benefits. You can easily incorporate 1 or 2 tablespoons into your daily routine. Try adding it to your morning smoothie for a boost of protein and healthy fats. It's also excellent sprinkled over oatmeal, yogurt, or fresh fruit, providing a delightful crunch and nutty flavor. This homemade powder is a fantastic source of essential vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, supporting overall well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.